This is an Alfa Romeo Alfasud-based 6C Restomod called the Alma Sprint, and only 20 of these are being built. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now, the classic Alfa Romeo Sprint is an intriguing Restomod revealed by Portuguese engineering firm Alma that specializes in restoring and tuning classics, and the Alfasud-based coupe benefits from a series of exterior, interior, and mechanical upgrades inspired by a forgotten Group B rally car project that never came to fruition. Now, back in 1982, Auto Delta developed a rally car prototype of the Sprint with a mid-engine layout and a wide body kit pinned by Zagato. Unfortunately, the Sprint 6C didn't end up on the Group B rally stages, although it sparked the imagination of Alfa Romeo fans and a few independent conversions. Fast forward to now, 2024, and we have a new Restomod built inspired by the canceled rally car. Now, the composite body of the Alma Sprint features boxy fender extensions, custom bumpers, stylish mirrors, and an integrated spoiler at the back. The quad round headlights got modern projectors and are mounted into a new billet aluminum housing. Now, the cabin is upholstered in Alcantara and corduroy fabric with aluminum inserts, and a Zagato steering wheel is combined with a bespoke aluminum gear shifter. Now, Alma says the new seats and the relocated steering wheel improve the driving position, while the 4-point belt harness adds a new motorsporting style look. Finally, there's also a Bluetooth speaker. Now, the Alma Sprint doesn't have the mid-mounted V6 Busso of the Rally prototype, but gets more than a few upgrades on its mechanical components. The 4-cylinder boxer engine of the original is bored to 1.8 liters, featuring redesigned heads, forged pistons, custom camshafts, a custom valve train, and a pair of Dolotto carburetors. Now, the modified powertrain produces 158 horses, 118 kilowatts, 160 PS, a healthy boost over any production version of the Sprint, including the Quadrifoglio Verde. Now, note that the Restomod tips the scales at 880 kilograms, which is around 1,940 pounds, meaning that the power to weight ratio is pretty spot on. Furthermore, the close ratio 5-speed manual gearbox can be optionally combined with a torsion limited slip differential on the front axle. Now, other upgrades include adjustable dampers for greater handling, larger vented disc, and motorsport grade components. Now, Alma wants to produce 20 units of the Alfa Romeo Sprint Restomod, with each one being customized to the likes of its owner from an extensive range of options. And pricing hasn't been disclosed, but first deliveries will be scheduled to commence in the third quarter of this year in 2024. So with that said, if you had the money, would you get your hands on this Alma or Alfa Romeo Sprint Restomod? Drop those comments down below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell, and we will talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.